Hey, Sarah. How was your weekend?
It was great, thanks for asking. I went hiking in the mountains with some friends. We explored some new trails and enjoyed the beautiful scenery.
That sounds fantastic. Did you take any pictures?
Yes, I did. I brought my camera along and captured some breathtaking views. We also saw a deer and some birds along the way.
Wow, that must have been a memorable experience. What else did you do?
Well, after the hike, we went to a cozy little cafe nearby and had some delicious sandwiches and hot chocolate. It was the perfect way to end the day.
Nice. I spent most of my weekend at home, just relaxing and catching up on some reading. Did you have any other adventures?
Not really. After the hike, we were pretty exhausted, so we just headed back home and spent the rest of the evening watching movies.
Sounds like a relaxing weekend overall. I'm glad you had a good time.
Thanks, Tom. How about you? Did you do anything exciting?
Not really, just the usual stuff. But hearing about your outdoor adventure makes me want to plan something similar for next weekend.
You definitely should. It's always refreshing to spend time in nature. Let me know if you need any recommendations for hiking trails.
Thanks, Sarah. I will keep that in mind.
Absolutely, I would be happy to help. Anyway, how was your reading? Find any good books?
Yeah, I actually started a new novel by my favorite author. It's really captivating so far. I could not put it down.
That's wonderful. It's always a joy to discover a book that grips you from the start. What's it about?
It's a mystery thriller set in the 1920s. The protagonist is a detective trying to solve a series of murders in a small town. The plot twists are so unexpected.
Oh, that sounds intriguing. I love mysteries. Let me know how it turns out once you finish it.
Will do. So, besides hiking and enjoying good food, did you do anything else over the weekend?
Not much, really. Sunday was pretty quiet. I spent some time catching up on chores and then relaxed at home with a good book and a cup of tea.
Sounds like a perfect way to unwind. I think we all need those lazy Sundays once in a while.
Definitely. It's essential to recharge before diving back into the week. How about you? How did you spend your Sunday?
I took it easy too. I did some meal prep for the week ahead and then just lounged around at home, enjoying some quiet time.
That sounds lovely. Well, it sounds like we both had a relaxing weekend in our own ways.
Absolutely. It's nice to have some downtime before the hustle and bustle of the work week begins again.
Could not agree more. Anyway, I should probably start getting ready for tomorrow. It was great catching up with you, Tom.
Yeah, same here, Sarah. Let's plan another hiking trip soon.
Definitely. Have a great evening, Tom.
You too, Sarah. Take care.
Hey, Katie. How was your weekend?
It was really great.
What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday, I went to the library with my friends.
Okay.
I read lots of books and I had a really relaxing time.
Wow. Sounds like you took it easy.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, we need to take a break sometimes.
For sure.
Did you do anything else on Saturday?
On Saturday evening, I went to a restaurant with my coworkers.
Oh, nice. What kind of restaurant?
It was a restaurant that sells only chicken wings.
Really?
Mmm.
Was it good chicken?
It was so good. It was very delicious.
Oh, okay. I think I know that place.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has the very spicy chicken.
Mmm.
Oh, that place is crazy.
It's my favorite.
I ate there once. The chicken was too spicy.
Too spicy.
Yeah,
Did you eat it?
I did and it hurt. It burned my mouth.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I definitely burned my mouth. So what about Sunday? Did you do anything on Sunday?
On Sunday, I went shopping with my friends.
Oh, did you buy anything?
Oh, I bought lots of stuff.
Yeah, what did you buy?
I bought some new shoes and I bought a new dress.
Oh, why did you buy a new dress?
It was cheap.
Okay,
It was on sale.
no special plans?
No, I just like buying clothes.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I'm the opposite. I do not like buying clothes. So did you do anything else on Sunday?
After I went shopping, I went to a cafe with my friend.
Okay. Oh, cool. Nice.
And we drank some coffee.
What cafe did you go to?
I went to Starbucks.
Oh, everybody goes to Starbucks.
I love Starbucks.
Yeah, I love Starbucks too.
How about you though? What did you do this weekend?
Well, I had a great weekend. I took it easy also. I did not do too much. I saw a movie on Saturday night that was fun.
Oh, really? What movie did you watch?
I finally saw the new Star Wars movie, Rogue One.
You saw the new Star Wars movie.
Yeah, I loved it. It's so good.
Wow, sounds good. I haven't seen it yet.
Oh, it's really good. I hated the first Star Wars movie, the last one, The Force Awakens.
Oh, really?
No, I did not like it.
Why?
It's just boring. It wasn't that interesting. But the next one, Rogue One, was so good.
Oh, I see. Why did you think so?
I just liked the characters. The story was interesting. It was fun. It was a good movie.
I see. Did you go with anybody?
No, I went alone.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I often go to movies alone. So I like to go to movies alone, actually.
Oh, why?
Because I rarely see movies, and if I see a movie, I just want to watch the movie.
I see.
Yeah, I know, it sounds boring.
I don't like it when people eat popcorn in movies either.
Oh, I know. Yeah,
I don't like the noise that people make.
oh, I know, it's so annoying.
So I can understand why you want to see movies by yourself.
Yeah,
How about Sunday? Did you do anything on Sunday?
Yeah, I had a good time. I went to the park. There's a beautiful park down by the bay, and I went jogging. And I took a bunch of photos because the weather was beautiful.
What did you take photos of?
Oh, I just took photos of the water, of people at the park, of the mountains. It was a clear day and the sky was really, really beautiful.
Sounds nice.
Yeah,
You shall have to show me afterwards.
oh yeah, you have to go there. It's a great, great park. Well, it sounds like you had a good weekend.
You too.